Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix YouTube Studio errors step by step in 2026. Many creators suddenly see errors in YouTube Studio and it can stop uploads, analytics, or monetization from loading properly. First, understand why this happens. Most YouTube Studio errors are caused by browser issues, cache problems, or temporary server glitches. It's usually not a channel problem. Step 1. Refresh and wait a bit. YouTube Studio sometimes goes down briefly for updates. Waiting 10 to 15 minutes can actually fix the issue automatically. Step 2, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache is one of the biggest reasons Studio doesn't load correctly. Um, After clearing, restart your browser and log in again. Step 3, try a different browser or incognito mode. Chrome works best with YouTube Studio, but extensions can cause conflicts. Incognito mode disables extensions and often fixes errors instantly. Step 4, check your internet connection. Unstable or slow. Internet can cause loading errors in analytics, comments, or uploads. Switch networks if possible and retry. If the error still continues, check YouTube's server status. Sometimes the issue is global and affects many creators. In that case, there's nothing to fix on your side. Finally, keep your browser and system updated. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with YouTube Studio. So yeah, most YouTube Studio errors come from cache, browser, internet, or temporary server problems. Follow these steps and your studio should work normally again. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.